Pink sauce pasta without heavy cream sounds like it should not work, but hear me out. This version, it is spicy, creamy, one pan and done in 15 minutes. And this is day 5. I'm making 7 pasta recipes in 7 days from creamy, spicy to Middle Eastern. If you missed yesterday's recipe, be sure to check it out in the playlist. But first, this is 1 pan spicy pink sauce pasta. Here is everything you will need. Elbow pasta, tomato sauce, cream cheese, garlic, onion, tomato paste and milk. Then we will have some seasoning we will talk about later on. Now let's get into it. Start by adding the butter along with a drizzle of olive oil to a deep pan over medium heat. We need the pan to be deep because we are cooking the pasta right in here. Once the butter has melted, add in the chopped onion and cook until it is nice and translucent. Then stir in the garlic and cook until it is fragrant. We are building flavors right in here. Now move the onions and garlic to one side of the pan and add the tomato paste. Then season with salt, black pepper, chili flakes. You can add as much or as little as you want. And lastly, smoked paprika. And here's a tip for you. Leave the tomato paste cook for a full minute before mixing. This one step gives the sauce a much deeper and richer flavor. Now pour in the tomato sauce and let it simmer. Once the tomato sauce starts simmering, add 1 cup of water. Bring everything to a boil, then add the pasta. Give it a good stir so all the pasta is coated in the sauce. You can use whatever shape of pasta that you like. Cover the pan and let the pasta cook. Keeping the lid on helps the pasta cook faster while stopping the sauce from reducing too much. This is how you end up with a perfectly creamy pasta instead of a dry one. I will just mix it every now and then so the pasta does not stick. While that's cooking, we are almost at the end of this 7-day pasta series. So I'd love to know, what kind of recipe series would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments. At this point, our pasta is done cooking. Now comes the best part, turning it into a beautiful pink sauce. So pour in 1 cup of milk. Then for a richer and deeper flavor, I will add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix everything together until the cream cheese melts into the sauce. This is why I love this recipe. You get that rich, creamy texture without using any heavy cream. If you have been enjoying this pasta series so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Look how delicious and creamy this pasta looks. You can't even believe it is all done in 1 pan and in 15 minutes. Now lastly, finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of oregano. And that is it. Now let's plate it and sprinkle a little more oregano over the top. And there you have it, a rich spicy pink sauce pasta all made in 1 pan. This was day 5 of 7. Come back tomorrow for day 6, you don't want to miss it. We are making a Middle Eastern inspired pasta that is packed with flavor, perfect for feeding a crowd straight from the Egyptian kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.